In this video we will show how to change the spare parts and pipes of Doit wet jet machine. For leakages and other issues you will need to open the bottom cover of the machine after Thank you.